It's always a good day whenever car parts come in. And these aren't even like actual car parts. I mean, I guess technically they are, but we finally got our injectors from Deatschwerks. Deatschwerks, DW. We got DW injectors. So today is the day that we fix the 180. I'm really hoping that we just put in these new injectors and everything is perfect and my car works like it's supposed to. It's been misfiring for a while, and I actually ordered these from the guys over at Throttle. Did a little bit of a used TJ Hunt code. So shout out to Throttle and TJ Hunt for the discount, man. But basically, these are just the same, just 370cc injectors that come. So factory injectors for the SR20 is 370cc, the purple tops. And so we're gonna just be replacing them with these. So no tune will be needed. I literally just take the old ones out, put these ones in, and we should be good to go. If you haven't watched the diagnosing video of basically us messing with the engine and figuring out what was wrong, basically what was happening, engine was misfiring. We swapped coil packs and figured out it wasn't coil packs, figured out it wasn't spark plugs, figured out it wasn't wiring harness. And then when we reseated the injectors, the issue followed the injector. So that's why we're swapping the injectors, and hopefully that's gonna put an end to all of this. And perfect timing because Race Wars is this weekend, and we're gonna be out there with the Aru booth, and I wanted to bring the Type X to Race Wars and park it and hang out. So gonna be lit. And yeah, so let's go ahead and go do this freaking install on these injectors, dude. The injectors that just came out of my current system. I'm pretty sure these are just OEM. Super old, got them out. Boom, boom, boom. Now we gotta put in the new ones. Deatschwerks injectors. Get these bad boys opened. And yeah. Here we go, dude. Got a cool Deatschwerks sticker here. And boom, dude. Okay, I'm gonna do some quick research to figure out what these are. Gotta get this nice and lubed up. Then I kind of just took some excess and like did it all over here. There we go. Just needed a little bit more pressure than what I was giving it. Next one. This is technically my first mod on the car. This is technically my first modification. It's not, I mean, like, it's like basic maintenance, right?
Yeah.
Like injectors.
For a 30-year-old car. Basic
maintenance, but it's literally the first thing that I've purchased for this car. Because as of before now, I've been literally running it as is from Japan. That lubed up. Get this little spot over here lubed up a little bit. Alright, don't be a hoe. Just go in. Oh god, that one was not having it. It was like, nah. Just make sure. I mean, that's pretty in there. Now the last thing I was instructed to check was after we get these installed was to check for like fuel leaks and stuff. So, gotta make sure there aren't any fuel leaks. Oh, you see that? See how easy that one was, dude? What the heck, man? Alright. Alright, now you're just gonna... I kind of want to look at these little... like these things that came with the injectors. Oh! So, these go here.
Oh.
So these go on the actual, like...
cap.
Yeah, so you take these old ones out.
Because they're crusty.
And then you put... Wait.
Trash is over there.
So, it looks like this has the flat side down. So this goes in. Like that.
So we need to find the other one that we dropped.
That I dropped, yeah. So that's that. Alrighty guys, so the new Deatschwerks injectors have been put in, and basically I figured out where the little that little black tip that I was talking about, it actually goes right underneath the cap that connects to this and over the injector and actually pushes down. So they go in here. So I figured that out. But there's the new injectors, looking super sick. All we gotta do now is get them plugged in and start up the car. It's gonna be freaking sick. So here we go. Gas door, gas cap, whatever. All right, and moment of truth. You're gonna have to keep an eye out, see if there's anything that leaks. Oh wait, battery's not connected. All right, battery's reconnected, we're good there. All right, time to attempt to start up the car. Oh my God, fingers crossed, please. Okay. There we go. Woo! She started. No leaks or anything. She looks good. And it sounds good. Like it sounds like it's not. Yeah.
Let it warm up a little bit.
Yeah.
Make sure it like starts.
Woo! There we go, baby. Car started. All new injectors are in. Don't see any leaks. We're running. Hannah's got the lightsaber. All right. So far that's been a success. It's a little dark outside, so sorry for the lighting, but car is running, dude. If you guys can hear it, there is a little bit of a leak, like an air leak, and it's with this line right there, that black line right there. So if you listen, I can take my hand and no more leak. Hand off, leak, Hand on, no leak. Hand off, hand on. So we got to figure out what we can do to fix that. But everything else, car sounds like it's running. Okay, I'm gonna see. All right, I'm gonna try turning the car off and see if I can start it back up. All right, we're gonna go ahead and turn the car off. Okay. Huh? Give it just a couple seconds. 2, 1. Okay. This is the second time after that, starting it up, see if it goes. Perfect. And my fuel gauge is good. It's showing fuel. You probably can't see it. My next thing I gotta do is get my freaking lights and my dash fixed. So that's a thing. All right, I think, you wanna try driving it? You take it for a drive? See how it goes? All right, we're gonna move the 4Runner that's in the back there. 4Runner's in the way, we're gonna move it, and then we're gonna try driving the 180. I haven't driven my car in like a week, so I'm super excited. All right, let's do this. She started right up. She started right up. AC's on, works, yeah. Pop-ups, ready? Get the pop-ups. Pop-up lights, wow, okay. I haven't driven my car in like a week. And I will say that she feels good. It feels normal. It's probably really dark.
Yeah.
Oh! Yes, dude! Dude, she's up and running. She's freaking up and running. She feels good. She sounds good.
Yeah.
Sounds like we're back to normal. I will say my air is hot. What the hell?
Oh, you didn't have it on AC.
Oh, I didn't? Woo! Dude, freaking A, man, we're back.